friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let us start. First, sun. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Number second, run. She runs every morning. She runs every morning. Number 3, bark. Dogs bark loudly at night. Dog bark loudly at night. Number 4, bright. The moon is bright. The moon is bright. Number 5, like. I like to play cricket. Number 6, color. My favorite color is pink. My favorite color is pink. Number 7, go. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground. Number 8, sleep. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. Number 9, house. My house is very big. My house is very big. Number 10, bus. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Number 11, sky. The color of sky is blue. The color of sky is blue. Number 12, market. I go to market with my father. I go to market with my father. Number 13, copy. This is my copy. Number 14, mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.